You have an amazing website. It's great. The content is good, but the problem is no one ever sees it. You know you need to implement SEO, but you think SEO, WTF, I don't even know what I'm talking about. Well, today I'm going to show you 5 simple SEO hacks to get your website ranking today. I'm Tanya. I'm a musician, blogger, passive income and SEO specialist, and I'm here to help you. So make sure you stick around to number 5 because it really is the secret sauce you probably wouldn't have thought of. Okay, so I have my WordPress open here with an article that I'm getting ready to publish. And the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that your keyword is in your title. Now, my keyword for this article is passive income for college students. And I'll link this blog post down below if you want to check it out. The next thing you want to do is you want to update your URL slug and your meta description. Now, to do that, I use a plugin called Yoast, and here it is. This is that Yoast SEO plugin. You can put your keyword here, focus key phrase, passive income for college students. Then right down here, you can update the URL slug. You simply just type it in. And then the meta description. This is what is potentially going to show up in a Google search when they search for passive income for college students. So you want to work that keyword into your meta description as well. So we've got the title, we've got the slug, we've got the meta description. The fourth thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that any images in your blog post have alt text. We're going to look at this image right here. If I just click on the image, you can see over here on the right side of the screen, the block popped up. You also want to work your keyword into that. And then the last thing that you want to do to get your blog found on Google is you want to put some internal links in there. So if you have other blog posts on your website that relate back to this, you want to link to it. This is going to help Google better understand what this article is about, and it's going to help Google better understand your website. That's it. It's that simple. All you have to do are those 5 simple things. Make sure your keyword is in your title, your URL slug, and your meta description. Make sure that all images have alternate text that includes your keyword in a natural way, and make sure you link internally between the different pages on your website. And if you're really serious about getting your website on Google, I have a membership, Creative SEO, and I'll link it down below. It will help you get going with all the support you need. So until next time, peace out.